At the restaurant. How to order.
Be polite.
Mary, I am starving. Let's go to a restaurant. But how do I order without sounding rude? I heard Americans are very particular.
They are. If you say, I want a burger, it can sound aggressive to US servers. Let's pretend you are at the diner, and I am the server. So you can learn how to order like a local. Hi there. Welcome to Johnny's Diner. What can I get started for you today?
I want the chicken and waffles and a cola.
Stop. Remember, I want sounds a bit impolite. Use can I get or I would like instead. Try again.
Got it. Can I get the chicken and waffles and a cola, please?
Perfect. And how would you like your eggs cooked?
Wait, Mary. What do I say?
Just say scrambled for mixed eggs or sunny side up for fried eggs.
Scrambled, please. And could we get the check, please?
Sure thing. Here you go.
Perfect. Now, how much do I tip?
In the US, tipping is expected. Leave 15% to 20% of the total bill. For good service.
What happened?
Anna was starving, so she and Mary decided to go to a restaurant. Before going, Mary suggested pretending they were at a diner to practice how to order politely. Anna tried saying, I want. But Mary stopped her because that sounds aggressive to US servers. Thanks to Mary's tips, Anna learned to use can I get, how to ask for scrambled eggs, and how much to tip. Key information. US versus UK. Check.
Bill.
Tip expected. Mandatory.
Tip included. A service charge.
Grammar tips. Expressing desires.
I want. Direct command. Sounds like an order. Focuses only on your desire.
I would like. Can I get? Modal verbs and conditional. Polite request. Softens the message to sound polite.
Examples. Can I get the fried chicken? I would like the fried chicken.
Listen and repeat.
Can I get the chicken and waffles, please? I would like a cola, please. Scrambled, please. Sunny side up, please. Could we get the check, please?
Check your understanding.
Are you ready? Let's check.
Why did Mary stop Anna when she was ordering her food?
Because saying I want sounds like a direct command and can be impolite to US servers.
What polite alternatives did Anna learn to replace I want?
She learned to use can I get or I would like.
What two types of egg preparations were mentioned in the lesson?
Scrambled eggs and sunny side up eggs.
What is the expected tip percentage at a restaurant in the US?
Between 15% and 20%.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it with your friends.